My name is Stephanie. I'm the director of rehab here at Stuckey Chiropractic Center. And I've got Greg, who just completed a treatment plan on his shoulder. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the injury you were having and some of the struggles you were dealing with?
Well, I had a real bad right shoulder. I was having difficulties just being as active as I wanted to be, whether it be golf or throwing, playing catch, shooting a basketball. Even as much as when I went for a run from time to time, my shoulder would be sore after I got done running. So it got to be the point where I felt like I had to do something. And just doing some research behind the scenes, I stumbled upon the SoftWave program. Was fortunate enough to have Stephanie and people at Stuckey help me out with it.
Yeah, that is awesome. So we've done a lot of work on your shoulder. And how would you say things are feeling today? What are some things that you couldn't do before that you can do now?
Yeah, initially with the sessions a couple times a week, I saw progress right away. But certainly after the next few weeks, I feel like I can return back to my normal, regular activities. I was having to spend a lot of time stretching or just kind of warming up, and things that maybe age does to you as you get a little older, that you have to spend more time in preparing to exercise and be active. But now I don't feel like I have to really prepare myself quite as much as I was earlier, and it's much more comfortable.
Yeah, that is awesome. So we've made some huge changes on your shoulder. We've got you back to living your life, doing things that you love to do. What would you tell somebody else who was considering doing software, but they were kind of on the fence?
Well, I spent a lot of time looking, online and kind of researching on my own what SoftWave was all about, and then the initial consultation visit with Stephanie was really reassuring and really beneficial, and I would certainly recommend to anybody and everybody to pursue the SoftWave treatment at Stuckey. It has helped me tremendously.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Greg.
Thank you.